It's 11:47 p.m. You're in bed, phone inches from your face. There's a shirt on the screen. Only 2 left. Your thumb is already moving toward buy now. Here's the strange part. You decided 30 seconds ago. Your conscious brain is just finding out. Watch closely and you'll see it everywhere. The gym membership you don't use. The I'll start saving next month. You've told yourself 12 times this year. Every time it feels like a choice. It isn't. You're just approving a decision your brain already made. That instinct is tens of thousands of years old. Back then, grabbing what you could see right now kept you alive. Today, that same instinct is why so many smart people stay broke. And here's the part that surprises people. It's not about how much you know. The doctor with the maxed out card, the engineer who's never opened his 401k statement. Even the ones who teach this stuff for a living still make the same mistakes. Because knowing what to do and actually doing it are not the same skill. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what's happening in your head at 11:47 p.m. Why saving feels like a loss. Why investing feels like walking off a ledge. Understand that, and 11:47 p.m. stops being a trap. It becomes a choice. Last time, it was 11:47 p.m., and your thumb was already moving. Here's why. Rewind 60,000 years. A woman crouches by a small fire. She hasn't eaten today. She might not eat tomorrow either. She sees fruit. She eats it now. All of it, because tomorrow it might be gone. She finds shelter. She takes it, because the next cave might already have someone in it. That's not weakness. That's the smartest math available to her. What's in your hand today is worth more than a maybe tomorrow. You inherited that exact same math. The threats disappeared. The store never closed. It's open right now at 11:47 p.m. Every sign on the street is doing the same job fire once did. Promising you something right now. One-click checkout. Countdown timers. Only 2 left. Sound familiar? Your brain doesn't know it's a screen. Your brain can't tell the difference between a lion and a limited time offer. Same circuit. Same urgency. The world sped up. Your brain didn't. And that gap is quietly writing every financial decision you're about to make. Picture this. You're about to cancel a subscription you never use. Then you see it. You'll lose your saved data forever. Suddenly, canceling doesn't feel like saving money. It feels like losing something. That feeling has a name. Loss aversion. Losing $10 hurts about twice as much as gaining 10 feels good. Ancient brain math again. A lost meal could kill you. A missed opportunity usually didn't. Companies learned this before you did. That's why it's never try our product. It's don't lose your free trial. Only 2 left isn't information. It's manufactured loss. Even your friends online trigger it. Fear of missing out is loss aversion wearing a filter. Here's the good news. Once you can name a feeling, it loses half its power over you. Next time something feels urgent, ask one question. What do I actually gain by acting right now? Not what you'll lose, what you'll gain. That single flip breaks the trance. Try it tonight at 11:47 p.m. before your thumb moves. Your brain runs on rules that are thousands of years old. In the next one, we rewrite one of them. It's 11:47 p.m. again. Your thumb is over the button. But this time, you already know what's happening. You know the ancient brain math. You know the manufactured scarcity. You know the loss dressed up as a deal. Knowing isn't enough on its own, so here's the one tool that uses all 3 against themselves. The 24-hour rule. Anything that isn't food, rent, or an emergency, you don't say no. You just say, not yet. Only 2 left can't survive 24 hours. If it's still there tomorrow, it was never really about to disappear. The urgency your ancient brain feels, the one built for lions, not sails, it fades in a day. Real needs don't. And the loss aversion? Give it 24 hours and ask the real question. What do I gain by owning this? Not what do I lose by waiting. Most of what feels essential at 11:47 p.m. looks optional by tomorrow morning. That's not a hack. That's just giving your slower, wiser brain enough time to catch up to your fast one. One rule. Every trap from every episode running through the same 24-hour filter. So it's 11:47 p.m. again. Your thumb is over the button, and this time you put the phone down. Not because you don't want it, because it can wait until tomorrow. Your brain runs on rules thousands of years old. You only need one rule of your own to run it.